Hey. Hello. Is it live on YouTube? Yeah, we're live. What's up, guys? Oh, the last YouTube video did very well. I see, 23k views. I had a lot of hate comments, as always. A funny one. But yeah, another YouTube video coming this week. Hello, hello. Robo Forex, yeah, Forex is pretty good. I know some people that use it. I never personally use it. Yeah. Only one kind of consent. Yeah, that's fine. I don't truly care about that. All right. Yeah, we're gonna look at the charts just a second. Not expecting much. Didn't really expect much this week, to be honest, because we had NFP Friday and that didn't really move much. So we took a buy on E on Friday. That almost went to 1-to-1. Then we gonna hit that break even, and until from there, like, we didn't really, because I knew price is just gonna range. The reason for that, tomorrow we have some big news. So go to Forex Factory. Tomorrow we're gonna have CPI. So tomorrow is gonna be very volatile. Tomorrow is my main focus for this week. Yeah, NFP was kind of shit, but I did an analysis this morning for the students via Loom. Basically, I'm expecting dollar to come back down a little bit from this point. So I'm expecting New York to slowly go down on dollar because we basically broke structure here on the 50 minutes. Now we took out the highs again, so this could be a good sign that price wants to come back down. And I do think price was gonna range on dollar. So at the start of the week, I said, like, look, dollar is gonna come a little bit lower, then it's gonna come back towards the highs, and then just gonna come back down in the range. So it looks like that's happening. I don't see dollar continuing just yet. And I remember when NFP has had usually when NFP has a pretty straightforward move, CPI, which is the next volatile event, usually corrects that NFP move. So that's gonna be the focus. Will you turn your mic up a bit? Yeah, turn it up a bit now. Just playing with settings. I think it should be good now. Bro, there is a promo. You can use the code FT20. $35. It's not gonna come back, fortunately. Or maybe with Trade Locker, I don't know. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. So basically that will mean on Euro USD, I wanted to see, so what I wanted to see this morning was 4-hour confirmation, 1-hour confirmation. So I said, look, 4-hour just broke structure now again because we closed to the body here. So that's the new high, that's the new low. I wanted to see 4-hour closure above this level. That would confirm buys for me, which gives me a pretty good range, because if that happens and I can just enter here, my TP2, which is a 1 to 2, is gonna be at this high, which is my target. So it's gonna set up pretty nicely. But as you can see, 4 hours is going down now, so there's no confirmation for that. Now that 1 hour created a new low, so now we have this high, this low. Once 1 hour closes above this high, that could mean price is ready to go up. So that's when I will enter a buy position, basically. Or if the 4 hour gets a bullish close in 11 minutes, that will also be pretty good. How approach to get funding, bro? You are a legend. Thank you. All right, so that would mean GU. GU has been ranging. Obviously, we had a bullish daily close yesterday, which is what I was expecting. And with today daily candle coming towards the lows, that's two confluences for me that a reversal is ready. So GU is getting ready to go up. Now, the remaining confirmation that I need is price to realign bullish. So for that, I want to see 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour is more aggressive, 4 hour is the best. 1 hour, as you can see, we have the high right here and the low. So I need the 1 hour closure above that high to confirm that market structure is ready to move up. And same thing as EU, my target for the buys will be this high. And if I just set up my take profit there, 60 pips, 1 to 2 will give me 30 pips stop loss. So that's gonna be pretty good. So that's gonna be what I'm expecting, and for that I need 1 hour at least to be bullish, because 4 hour would mean a bullish close above this. But if this 4 hour close is bullish and then we get a 1 hour break of structure, then that's still gonna be good. And 50 minutes is looking nice because we had Asia low taken, you know, aggressive London move towards that previous daily lows, nice V shape. I actually missed this because I would have taken it here. Textbook entry where we have run to liquidation, to liquidity. We got V-shape recovery with a break of structure. I don't know how I missed that. I wasn't really paying attention. And then you have the fib retracement at the 0.7. So, and the flip zone, 5-minute flip zone right here. So that would have been a pretty good entry on GU right there to go up. So, and then creating a new break of structure, we have another retracement. So this could start moving up from here. But I do like that higher time frame confirmation, so I will wait for that. But it does look like it's getting ready to go up, and I do believe CPI tomorrow is gonna move up on EU and GU. And gold, I still expect gold to also go up. Retracement area for the sales is this right here. So 2,633 to 37. I do believe gold should start moving up. It's like a 150 pip range to the upside. 50 minute looking nice as well. So they should start moving to the upside. So that's basically what I'm waiting for. Now today is not FOMC. Today is FOMC minutes, which has no volatility. It's not FOMC statement and press conference. It's FOMC minutes, which doesn't really have any volatility. Prop from King. Hey, sir, what's up? Good to see you here. They have time for YouTube lives. DXI. I did go over DXI. I'm expecting the dollar to go down a little bit to this low right here. So that would, confirm my bullish bias on EU and GU. Not trading oil. I'm not trading NZD/JPY or USD TRI. Yesterday I was thinking that gold was going to be ranging between the two yellow lines and put my buys at the yellow, but it got validated. No, go below the line. Well, what time was that? Let's see. So I said right here. Yeah, see, this was... I mean, did you get in buys? Because you need to wait for that confirmation. Right, like this was a good play, right, with New York Open. But with gold, you always gotta wait for confirmation. So you didn't really get any bullish confirmation. Price just continued to go down. And there's no reason for that. It's just like... it just continued to go down. Daily time frame was quite bearish, coming towards the lows. That was the objective, the lows. So it just kind of came to that, almost to that 2,600 level. Top G and NFX. Thank you. Only Fortuna is your main account. No, minutes is not gonna have any volatility today. What confirmation? I will have waited for 5 minutes. 5 minutes to do. So price was going down with New York Open, had a small reaction. New low, I would have waited for another break of structure to the upside and take buys there towards the high. It's very difficult with gold because you need to have price realigning, especially when it's coming very aggressive down or up, right? You do need that extra confirmation, lower time frame confirmation. Otherwise, you'll just get stopped out. Even if this was going up nicely, right? 1 hour break of structure coming down for a retrace. You need to see that lower time frame confirmation that price is actually stopping. See? So with this 1 hour candle, just when did that open? Let's see. Yeah, so see, you had right here at 5 when the 1 hour candle closed. The 1 hour candle closed bearish, coming down. So you need to see the next 1 hour candle making the wick down, which is exactly what happened, and then reversing and giving that low time frame confirmation to go up. I think it makes sense. Bulgaria is banned, actually. It's a very high risk country for some reason. I don't know what you guys doing in the prop firm industry, but there's too much risk in Bulgaria. Probably game the system a lot. My lowest is a 50-minute. Yeah, for intraday trades like New York, you can't really wait for 50. I mean, even if you wanted to wait for 50 minutes, then in this case I would wait for. But see here, what confirmation can you have on the 50-minute, right? Because you had a low here and a high here. What confirmation can you wait on the 50-minute? A bullish close is not really enough. Or yeah, if you had a bullish 50-minute close, but that would coincide with the 5-minute break of structure, you know. What I think about IC funded prop firm, I don't know. I haven't seen too many trading with them. I've heard this broker prop firms are denying lots of people, and I don't know. Yeah, there are some people trading. Yeah. Yeah, I heard that IC Funded isn't backed by IC Market, so I don't know who created that platform, or if it's a scam. Proper retracement or swing, just looking at the higher time frame structure. That's how. So let's see, now we got, euro coming down. Let's see for our close in about 5 minutes. It doesn't look good, like EU doesn't look good for our close. GU doesn't look good as a 4-hour close, so this will most likely then continue down. And only gold looks alright for buys. Crypto has been going down again, knowing that's gonna be the case probably until the elections. Hopefully Trump wins so we can get a big pump, and that's what I'm personally waiting for. And you see dollar is just now, dollar now it just created a new high, you see? So we had a low, the high. Now we create a small low here, and now we're creating a new high here. So once this breaks, that's gonna realign bearish, retest, and then we can see the move down later in New York. That's what I'm waiting for. I mean, yeah, just respect the rules. Trading rules are on the website. You can read through them. I know about the colleagues from Bulgaria. I'm a trader trying to make your type of living. My education, my Discord with course and everything. That's the thing that I have been doing for the last years. Fortuna, which is a platform, which is a company, is something completely different. If you have issues with the company, you address the company because there are multiple people at the company that can help you out, right? So if you want to learn how to trade, you can join us. That's completely different. I'm long EU with 35 stop loss. Yeah, that's a bit. I think that's a bit risky, but it's up to you, right? If you want to stay in drawdown. Remember that today is Wednesday, so Wednesday night there are triple swaps. That's the main reason why I never stay in trades or enter trades on Wednesdays, because triple swap is gonna kill your account. On GoldFund you can trade directly dollar. Yeah, we can add dollar as well to Fortuna, but I don't know. It's not that good, to be honest. It's difficult because you can have a lot of slippage on that. You know, so yeah. Love from Malaysia. Thank you. What are triple swaps? I mean, are you trading and you don't know what swap fees are? Swap fees are basically the fee that a broker charges you to keep your position overnight. Because basically at the end of the day, the broker closes your position and then reopens it at market open. So in order for you to have the same entry, the same position, nothing changed, they charge this swap fee. And on Wednesdays, it's triple swap fees. So basically you get charged 3 times for the swap fee. I don't know exactly the reason for that, but that's how it happens. I don't know, it's just, but that's why. You can just do a quick Google search and let us know why. Why brokers charge a triple swap fee on Wednesdays. I don't know, it's midweek. They want to earn more. Will you long EU, GU? Yeah, I mean, if I get the confirmation that I'm waiting for, the higher time frame confirmation, then yeah, that's my plan. Not really before news. When it's setting up, I will enter that trade and make sure my stop loss is adjusted for the potential CPI week, which is usually between 20 and 15 and 25 pips based on historical data. Overnight financing charges are triple insurance accounts for the weekend when no swap fees are applied because the market is closed. Yeah, you see? That's true, actually. Over the weekend, you don't get charged swap fees. My next podcast, I don't know. I wasn't invited to any more podcasts. I was supposed to have one with CEO cast or something like that, but our timelines didn't align, so I'll be in the shadows for a while. I feel the podcast scene in the Forex industry is a bit... It's not really that interesting. You know? Hey. No, I don't meet with traders from Instagram because most of them are fake and cringe, and I cannot stand them. I cannot stand fake people. See what New York does. Now I'm not trading with Alpha anymore, but they're still the number one prop firm for me. I think they're still very, very good. So we had a 4-hour close. Let's check. I don't believe they're sus. Why do you say that? So let's see, EU 4-hour close bearish, right? So now looks like it's heading towards this old New York low at 1.09496. So I'm still gonna wait. To potentially get that 4-hour bullish close or 1-hour break of structure. Because buying right now would be kind of risky. Yeah, it may work out, but I don't think so. Which is good prop firm you can use for traders. So yeah, GU as well. Now this just looks like it's gonna go down. We did have 4-hour bullish close, but 12-hour, 12-hour is weakening up, and this can easily flip down. So no confirmation. 1-hour rejecting the high here, coming down. Not a good sign for buys yet. Let's see if that switches though in the next 20-25 minutes. You have bad colors for a prop? Why? I do like the red theme. Our new website is gonna be live this weekend, by the way. It's gonna be much more simple. It's looking really clean. Fortune can be traded by US residents. Not yet. We're with a new website. We're launching Trade Locker. So with Trade Locker, US residents are gonna be allowed to trade, which is, in my opinion, a very good thing. Andrew, when you start trading, you went into scalping when trying to complete a challenge? Yes. I mean, it was hard, I'm not gonna lie. Trading with having a very low win rate, it's very hard, and you're gonna lose a lot of accounts. I mean, that's what I did. And it wasn't fun. But yeah, that's how I managed to scale very aggressively. Think today nothing wow will happen, probably not even a confirmation bias. Yeah, probably not. Probably we're gonna, I mean, look at EU. It has been the same range, 5 pip range for the last 2 hours. So yeah. Yeah, Canadian as well. Canadian is gonna be allowed as well. Question about course, you gave the tip to look at market structure without wicks, so then we take highest level break of structure only by looking. So yeah, now this depends a lot on how it's set up, because I usually like to see the break of structure when I take a break of structure, especially if it's counter trend. I like to take it to break above, like break a little bit above the actual body. So in this case, you see we have the body here, but the wick is here. But this is counter trend. So I want to see a 1 hour close like this, which is higher than the body, and maybe let's say more than 50% of the wick to take it as a break of structure. Ideally would be like even covering the wick on a counter trend break of structure, because that gives you a much higher confirmation, you know. But that's just how I like to take it. Yeah, I think CPI will have a pretty big move tomorrow, yeah. Bro, I told you already 5 times, FOMC minutes is not gonna have any volatility. It's the low volatility because tomorrow is CPI. That's why there's low volatility. Five times, yeah. I guess it's that, you know, the gambling thing. You want to trade, but it's not gonna move today. Most likely it's just gonna range until the lows. Like it's very close to the lows. Gold doesn't seem like he wants to play. You see, so this is the case on 1 hour break of structure, right? You see we have what I was saying before, we have the body here and then we have a big wick. So I guess we can make a rule where we take the wick, and if the 1 hour close is above the 0.5%, which is half of the wick, then that is a good break of structure. This one didn't really close, so I wouldn't really take it as a higher probability break of structure, if that makes sense. Would you rather Russian stock market? We don't even have that on CTrader or on TradeLock. It was removed. Russian Rumble was removed a long time ago from all the markets. FX LXG is currently turning $100 to $1 million. Yeah, sure. He was calling in the beginning though with no MT5, and then he changed broker and jumped from to 90k from nowhere. So what does that mean to you? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Can you show the... Yeah, but there is a video on the fib settings. Not sure why we ask. We got 0, 0.7, 0.621 and 0.5. Pretty easy. How can we gain confidence with your strategy? I mean, it's just confidence comes from experience and actually trading. You can't gain it any other way. Did you ever had the idea to try and scalp quick 5 pips out of the market? Maybe was ever scalping more appealing to you? If yes, because once you scale up your capital and you start doing pretty big lot sizes, you can't scalp anymore. Because let's say you enter with 25 lots, you're gonna get slipped between 1 and 1.5 pips already with entry and stop loss on any broker. So from the start, you're basically almost losing 30% more. Then you add commissions, then you're losing 40% more of the position. So what's the point of trying to do that, right? Doesn't make sense. Of 10 challenges, how many would you say pass being aggressive? I'll pass like four of them all the way to fund it, which is pretty good, right? UJ is the most volatile FX pair. No, I think GJ is the most volatile Forex pair for sure. GJ is very volatile. And look how much it moves. It's crazy. I don't know about any fake track records. No, I don't use Forex sentiment, use the GPI sell. I mean, if you do that, good luck. I'm not talking about any other traders because I've seen some things. Yeah, yeah, I do read the chat. Any trade these days? We had a trade on Friday. AUDJPY? No, I don't think AUDJPY is the most volatile. Change the pairs you're trading? No, I always traded EU, GU and gold. This thing is slow hell, yeah, coming down for the lows again. GBPUSD is also pretty slow. I mean, it's also going down, right? I mean, yeah, this looks like it's gonna continue down. Did you earn more money from the lower time frame charts like the 1 minute? No. That's the thing. I was trading way more, taking way more trades, having a better risk reward, but I wasn't making more money because the stress that lower time frames bring you doesn't make it worth it. No. What type of mindset should I have when I'm on huge drawdown? I actually have a YouTube video on that, how I deal with drawdown. You can go watch it. I see dollar going to 103, 100%. So we didn't have any break of structure, so it's continuing, you see. That's why it's very important to wait for that break of structure. Yeah, I am looking for longs. I did go over my criteria of what I'm waiting for. There are no news today. FOMC minutes is not a volatile news event. Yeah, how I book profit. My trades are 1-to-1 and 1-to-2. That's my risk reward, my fixed risk reward. And it works very good. Go 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. And it's pretty easy. Does the stream stay online? Yeah, it is. It's gonna be... You can rewatch it. Since stepping up time frames about 6 months ago, I have gone full time. Feels a lot like running a business. It is like running a business. We have expenses and everything. Also, do you keep in mind strong dollar or how long you? No, I want to see the dollar coming back down to correct some of the CPI move. What does normal week look like for you? What's your routine like? It's pretty boring. Do the same thing every day. What do you think about Force? What, like the Force from Star Wars? Oh, FOMC. FOMC minutes today is not a volatile event. Nothing's gonna happen. So you see, EU took out the objective, which was this old New York low. So now if we get 50-minute breaking above here and 1 hour closing bullish, I can start looking for the move up. You know, and GU rejecting from here and closing bullish on the 1 hour give me a nice confirmation. Obviously gold did not want to play, So I mean, it's the same thing now that it's gonna take London low. We could see if anything wants to happen. CPI down for dollar. Yeah, that's what I want to see. No, I don't trade London in 1 minute time frame and New York in 5 minutes. I don't trade the 5 minute and 1 minute. I look at those time frames, but I don't trade on them. I don't take entries on the 1 minute with a 3 pip stop loss anymore now, because that's not working in the long run. So I like this on you. I like this on you. So I wanna see how the 50 minute goes. 5 minutes is reacting. Do you like it like that though? What do you mean? Boring? Yeah, it's fine. Boring is good. Boring is good. Boring is actually good. Am I in gold? Gold, I don't know. I don't like gold anymore. I'm not rushing anything. Do you see me rushing? I'm waiting for confirmation. Yes, I'm looking into owning a hedge fund for sure. The update is on the way. I have a YouTube video about lower time frames versus the higher time frames. You can go watch that. I go over it in like 15-20 minutes. Like, that's the best way to, understand. No, I don't trade indices. Every question that you guys have, there's probably a YouTube video by me. So you can just search it. You'll find it. How long I've been in prop space? I've been in the prop space since FTMO was offering max allocation to 100k and 70% profit split. That long. And my Forex funds just launched as well. Yeah, I only look at entries the first hour. Yeah, Alpha Capital is a good prop firm. I'm not telling you how you trade. You trade how you learn how to trade, right? I think that makes the most sense. What I have in store to do for the rest of the day, I mean, gonna take a break after the stream, like 30-minute break, eat something, then back at my office, do some more work, record some more stuff for the course, and that's about it. Play some Valorant then, probably. If it breaks on the 1 minute, no, I'm not looking at the 1 minute for reversals. No, that's very risky. I typically hold the trades for like few hours to a day. Funny next, yeah, they always paid me. Funny pips, yeah, they always paid me. ICT silver bullet strategy, I don't know what that is. Yeah, that was a while ago. I mean, yeah, to learn, the lower time frames will teach you a lot, for sure. The lower time frames will teach you a lot that you need to learn. Count money? No. Yeah, I mean, I never trade with the fivers, but e-markets is good, yeah. I mean, I cannot scale the prop firms anymore because I own a prop firm. But I think for others, you can easily go to 2-3 million. Easy. Let's say 2 million. 2 million is still pretty good. But the way I did it, like 6.7 million, guys, like do you imagine how hard that was? Like 6.7 million in funding, that was crazy that I managed to reach that. Didn't last long, obviously, but I mean, it was pretty nice. No one else did it. It's crazy. Well, my Traders Connect monthly bill was actually crazy. Yeah, it was around $250, $200, something like that. Yeah, I paid Traders Connect a few good $1,000. That was a lot. Yeah, I was trading them on the trade copy. Yeah, crazy. Yeah, and I showed proof of that also. Like, it wasn't just like me talking shit. It was actually proof of that. No, I never went to. I mean, no. Actually, yeah, I was banned from bespoke funding, which was a completely bullshit ban. And then I did use another name to get funded and get my money basically back. But then they found out and banned me again. So, but I only did that because they're a piece of shit company. That's the only reason I did that. Otherwise, I wouldn't do that. No. One step at a time. One step at a time. I don't know the Lux prop firm. No. My best trading month? I don't know what. My best trading month, I think, was last year during the same time. I think it was end of. No, it was. I think it was August. No, not August. August is shit. After August? Or before? I can't remember. It was my best trading month, yeah. That's when I bought my McLaren. Everything that I made in 1 month, just bought a McLaren. Now I wouldn't have it in Romania. Probably Dubai. Hedge fund, yeah, where I diversify things. Obviously. I'm not talking about how much that costs or that costs. You can just look online how much it costs. Reading studies of Joe Dispenza. I really appreciate seeing you read. I mean, what it is there to talk about? He's one of the best at what he does. How do you trade prop account that didn't allow you to trade? I was just trading it manually. Just executing the trades manually. Now, what do you expect still to take that 1 hour high? Yes, that's what I want to see. 1 hour confirmation. Before onboarding investors, you need like a 1 year track record. You need like a year, yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't believe anything Andrew Tate does. There's a lot of marketing involved in that. Can FTMO still deny payout? No, they're not going to deny it. I prefer 1 hour confirmation for reversals. Always 1 hour and 4 hour confirmation. That's the best way to know. Yeah, I'm still trading some prop firm, but because I launched Fortuna Traders, my own prop firm, I'm not allowed to trade with other prop firms now. So my prop firm career in the FX space is basically over, but I will go into the futures one for sure. How many pairs? I would recommend just sticking to 1 pair until you become profitable at that. Do you remember that guy who was talking? Yeah, Lord. Yeah, I asked that also in the chat yesterday. Lord Carson or something. I guess it's just a thing for people from that area. It's not the same guy, but I think it's a thing from. No offense. No offense. No offense. I don't think he is. But yeah, it's very similar. Yeah. Since you trade more swing, do you advise risking more? No, 1% max. 1% max. I wouldn't risk more than 1%. Yes, the Romanian mentorship has everything you need. Plus, if you buy the Romanian mentorship, you get access to the Romanian course, which is the basic one, and you get access to the English course as well and community. So, all in all package. Your patience is incredible and excellent. I think I worked 6 years on it. Fixed 1-to-1 and 1-to-2. Yes, my platform is open. You can go to fortunatraders.com. You have it down on the screen, literally. I think they will ban you now because prop firms don't allow that anymore, which I guess it was coming, right? Anything 2.21 at 40%, yeah. 1 hour break of structure. Yes, after a 1 hour break of structure, I'm waiting for a fib pullback, and then I enter there. Yeah, this week is very boring. It is indeed. Be live for another 5 minutes. Yes, I was funded with the 8. They're pretty expensive, to be honest. Their service is not that good. But and trade execution was not that good. But I mean, they always paid, so. But yeah, they're very expensive. They are pretty expensive. I've already passed first stage. That's nice. Yes. Soon MT5. Unfortunately, it's gonna take a few months. Unfortunately, past 50k account now funded. Congratulations. Catch you soon, guys. All right, let's take another look, and then I'm off for the day. So basically, waiting the same thing. I want dollar to realign. Now this is the 50-minute low. This is the high. Once we break structure here, I will be looking at dollar move down. That's probably gonna happen hopefully tomorrow. Or if it keeps going up until CPI, then I will take a more aggressive short once that sets up. EU has a nice rejection now. If 1 hour can close like this or even bullish, that'll give me a good confirmation. However, I would wait for 50-minute to break structure here, and then potentially for the 1 hour into later today. I don't think 1 hour is gonna break today. It's probably gonna come here and then maybe look there to take a buy, but not looking at taking a position today because it's triple swap day. So because it's triple swap day, I don't really wanna, be stuck in a position. And yeah, GU, if we get 1 hour flipping bullish, 4 hour closing bullish into tomorrow, it's gonna be a pretty nice buy. So for the guys in the Discord, in the course, obviously I will update you guys. Once we have the confirmation, we'll enter the buy. I think it's a pretty straightforward trade. Ticks all the boxes, we have a nice range, so I'll be waiting to execute that trade probably tomorrow. And gold, I don't really care about gold. It should reject the lows here and come back up. It should do that. But I'm more interested in GU and EU. I think they're gonna set up quite nicely. It's more aggressive now, but yeah. Thank you too for joining, and see you guys tomorrow.